So here we are. We're here with this is the Sun Pro product, Sun Pro, and we're showing all the cloth that are available to this client. He actually picked one already. What I'm doing today here with Jake, so we're verifying the measurements. So before we actually place an order, the first estimator comes out, whether it's Jake, whether it's Alvin, whether it's myself, whether it's Edens, whether it's Jennifer, any of us come out, we're gonna measure, but then we follow through, and we have upper management like myself come and do the final measurement and sign off the final cloth, the final colors with the client. And that's super important. That's what we're doing today, and you'll see. All right, so the reason we're measuring top, middle, and bottom, and we're getting the smallest measurement. It's very simple. It's because this stuff, the bottom rail, it comes precisely cut to what you ordered, and if you're too wide, it could rub on the sides, and it's gonna remember. Some of these motors have obstacle detection. So because of the obstacle detection, the shade's gonna lower. It's gonna feel as something there because it's feeling pressure because you measure too wide, and it's gonna go up on you. So to avoid having to like cut after the manufacturer cut, you want to get that measurement. Also, you want to make sure your header fits inside mount, inside the header, under header, how they call it. You want to make sure that it fits when you're here to install. You want the manufacturer to build it correctly. You don't want to make any modifications to the manufacturer's measurements once it's done. Look, here's perfect set. Come over here. Come over here. You got 99. Right? Yep. You got 99 there. Okay, now let's see what you have in the middle. Check this out. 98 3/4.
Oh.
So it's not always the bottom.
It's not always the bottom.
That's why you want to get the three measurements.
Okay, so
98 3/4. You see that? So when we do our patio shade, outdoor zipper screens, we do electric motors. So they need to be done by an electrician, licensed electrician, which we bring. That's when Orlando, the electrician, comes in. And we pre-plan it for them. So here, we're gonna do the motor on the left-hand side and the motor on the right-hand side. And the reason we're gonna do that is because we're gonna connect the box with two motors here. And we're gonna do the same thing over there. We're gonna do motor left, and we're gonna do motor right. And those openings there, that way it's one box. Instead of having, the good thing about that is that instead of having like all these wires everywhere, you just have two boxes.
Every great project starts with a conversation. Our sales team meets you at your home, listens to your vision, and walks you through the best options for your patio space. Before anything is ordered, we at Camacho Blinds personally returns for final measurements. Every dimension is double checked. Precision here prevents problems later. Your custom motorized patio screens are then sent to Sun Pro for fabrication, built to exact specifications, professionally wrapped and prepared for delivery. Once complete, they're delivered to us. We carefully unload, inspect, and transport them to your home, ready for installation day. Our team installs with accuracy, efficiency, and professionalism, ensuring proper installation, smooth operation, and a perfect fit. And when it's done, you don't just get a screen, you get comfort, you get shade, you get protection from insects, you get a patio you can actually enjoy. Motorized, seamless, built right the first time.